The Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, on Sunday launched its 101st satellite, EOS-09, aboard the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, PSLV, C-61, but it failed minutes later. The 101st launch was done with PSLV, C-61, carrying an Earth observation satellite, named as EOS-09, that was to be put in a Sun-synchronous polar orbit. However, the EOS-09 mission could not be accomplished. According to the ISRO chief, the PSLV 4-stage vehicle, and performance was normal till the second stage. "We will come back after analysis," he said.